Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making homemade french fries in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You guys, they're golden brown, they're crispy on the outside, they're fluffy on the inside. They are perfect homemade french fries in the Ninja Foodi Grill, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make them, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're interested in any of the items that I use in my video, I will have the links in the description. Make sure you hit that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm to make sure that you guys see the videos as they're coming out. And also, if you guys could just let me know in the comments, what kind of sauce do you guys eat your french fries with? I eat mine with ketchup. Some people eat them with Thousand Island. Let me know what you guys eat it with. I would love to know. But let's go ahead and dive right into these french fries. Let's try that again. Let's dive right into french fries in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Okay, so in order to get started with the recipe, what you're going to need are potatoes, and what I did was I peeled the skin off. If you don't peel off the skin, just make sure you clean the potato. And you can cut the potato into the french fry slices, or you can have a french fry cutter. I have used so many of them, and this is the only one. Sorry guys. This is the only one that works really well, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to use it. So I have it in cold water just so that they don't turn brown, and you're going to need the water so that it removes the starch and it allows them to be crispy in the air crisper. So let's go ahead and get started. All you have to do, since we're going to put them back in the water, you have to cut off the bottom for it to go in the fry cutter, and then you just start pressing it down. After you press it down, you have your french fry slices, and they're perfectly cut. I'm just going to pour them back into the water, and we will repeat the step. And this thing comes apart really easily to clean, so that's why I love it. Just cut off a little bit. You just gotta line it up, press. Okay, perfect every time. So, put that back in there. Okay, we'll cut off the tip. Line it up, press. Can you tell I love this thing? It's super easy, you guys. Alright, put this back in here. Okay. Okay, kind of got stuck a little bit. There we go. Okay, dump that in there. Oh, I have one more potato. So, let's do that. You have all of your french fries. So what we're going to do is, you'll start to see that the water gets cloudy. That's perfectly fine. You want it cloudy so that it's basically the water is taking the starch out of the french fries, and that's going to allow them to become crispy. We're going to go ahead and let them sit for 30 minutes. It's not an absolute necessary step, but if you want crispy homemade fries, this is the way to go. So we will allow this to sit for 30 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, so now that the fries have been sitting here for about 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and pull the fries out. Okay. And we want to dry them. Now, my cloths are in the washer, so I cannot use the cloths. But I have paper towels, and I know it's a bit wasteful, but it will do. We need to dry the fries. So we're going to go ahead and just press down on them. And I have my oil spritzer with grapeseed oil ready. While this is happening, or while I'm drying them, let's go ahead and turn on the Ninja Foodi Grill. Do air crisp, 20 minutes. Let's start the preheating. You want to take as much moisture as you can away from the fries. I will make this in another batch, or let's dry them all right now. Let's see. Okay. So I will dry the rest of the fries, and once the preheating is done, we'll be back. Okay, so the Foodi grill is preheated. I have my air basket in. Oh my gosh, you guys. Now, I already drained the water and I dried the fries. I drained the water from the bowl and dried the bowl as well so that we're not adding moisture. You could spritz them, but if you don't have a spritzer, that's okay. You can use about 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. And just rub that in there. As they come to a finish or they begin to finish, then we can add the salt and pepper. You can season them right now. I like to season them at the end. It's just preference. You can use 1 to 2 teaspoons, but I mean the purpose of the air fryer is really to try and minimize the amount of oil. So I try to use about 1 tablespoon. I'm sorry, tablespoon, not teaspoon. I forgot how to talk today. Alright, so once you have that all mixed in there, you can go ahead and dump them into the air fryer basket. We're going to go ahead and close the lid. In about 8 minutes or so, we'll check on them. I don't think 5 minutes. I usually check on 5 minutes in my videos, but there's no reason to check every 5 minutes. So let's do 8 minutes. Since I'm a little bit more comfortable with the grill. If you're not comfortable, you can do 5 minutes just so that you can see whether they're, or check on them. Okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay, we are at the 12-minute mark. And I have my silicone gloves so I can kind of mix them around, and I am going to add just a little bit of salt right about now. Okay, and then we'll be back. Now we'll check on them in about 5-6 minutes because now they're turning brown, so we'll check on them again. Okay? Okay. Putting them on wrong. So they are looking good. Oh, 2 stragglers there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let the 6 minutes and 51 seconds finish. And we'll check on it in about 7 minutes, or yeah, the 7-minute mark. I'm just going to increase the time to 10, but in 7 minutes we'll check on it. And we'll be back. Alright, they're back. They are looking great, you guys. Now, I could toss them, but I want to move them around with the spatula. They're starting to get golden brown now. You can hear them clanking against each other. Let's go ahead and finish off the 3 minutes. They are starting to be golden brown, so we could even do 5 minutes and they should be done. We'll be back. Okay, so there's just about 30 seconds. And they look amazing. They're golden brown. They're perfect. Pretty hot. So I have some ketchup right here. And get these fries out. We will do the taste test right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, they look so good. Let's look up close. Golden brown, perfect french fries in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Let's see. They taste great too. Crunchy on the outside, nice and fluffy on the inside. They're really great. So making fries in the Ninja Foodi Grill is a must. I have a video on how to make the Ida french fries, the frozen french fries and tater tots on my channel, but I had to make homemade french fries, and you guys, they come out amazing in the Ninja Foodi Grill. The basket is just the right size. You can do a lot of french fries at once. I did about 4 or 5 potatoes, I think it was, and they were small potatoes or medium-sized potatoes, and they came out great. So this is how you would make them in the Ninja Foodi Grill. But be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes every single week. This year, 2020, is the year for our Ninja Foodi Grill. So on my channel, I will be coming out with recipes every week. Let me know in the comments what you guys like to eat your french fries with. Do you guys use ketchup? Do you guys use Thousand Island? What's your favorite sauce to use with your french fries? But until next time, you guys have a great night.